What it do, Sade? So the hair that I'll be rocking today is from I See Hair. They sent it in this little cute baggie. They sent some goodies with the unit. And this is the unit. It's the I See Burmese Curly Half Wig. As you all can see, it's super curly, super full. This is inside of it. So it is a half wig. It has combs, an adjustable strap, a drawstring strap as well, and you can take the adjustable band out. I didn't use that, I just used the drawstring. Perfect for beginners because it's really easy to install. So as you guys know, I'm a lock baddie. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull all my locks to the back, and I should have put it in a ponytail, but whatever. And then I'm just gonna put a wig cap on. I feel like with wet half wigs excuse me, you should use a black cap, but I didn't have one. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and lay down my edges because that's what you need to do with a half wig. Or you could just brush your hairline back, it's up to you. But I'm just going to take some edge control and lay them on down. I'm just going to take my scarf and I'm just going to go ahead and lay my hairline down to make sure it's nice and laid and secure. I went ahead and took the adjustable band out because I don't like those. They hurt my head, so I don't use them. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the unit. As you guys see, it is a half wig, so you don't see any tracks, which is nice. And even with locks, it's blended in really nice. I'm just going to put a claw clip in it so I can show y'all the back. It's super easy to install. You can use the wig combs. I don't even use the wig combs, y'all. I'm just going to pull the drawstring as tight as I would like it, and then I'm just going to tuck it in. You can use bobby pins if you're not a wig comb girl like me, but for this, it was totally fine. The wig didn't move. It stayed on my head. This unit is to fluff it out. It gets really big, but I didn't want to use a brush because when you use a brush, you'll disturb the curl pattern too much. So it's best to just go in with your fingers and separate and fluff. So that's just what I'm doing here. This hair is super soft, you guys. It feels really good. The little spirals on the end is so freaking cute. And they did what they were supposed to do. It is an Invisifit, so that's why it fits so well. But yeah, just go in and fluff it. You don't got to add any product because if you add product to this, you're not going to get this big voluminous look. It's going to go flat. So you want to just fluff it as much as you can with your hands. And then I decided to go in with my pick at the root to tease it. Just what it looks like. Y'all know that style with the braids and then it goes into the part. That's what it kind of gives with my locks. This is the back, so as y'all can see, this unit is super duper full and big. We offer this unit in different lengths, and it also comes in 2 different densities, which is 180 and 250. But look at the luster. It looks so natural even with me having locks, you guys. Like, it turned out really pretty. Like, I was like, wow, like, I really love this. And all I had to do was lay down my edges and I'm good to go. You can go out the door, you can head out to work, do what you gotta do, and you got you a quick do. You could even do this in the car. It's too easy. But yeah, so I'm just going to go back in and add my claw clip to hold the hair up because y'all know I'm a headband girl. And one thing I'm going to do with a half wig is put me a headband on. I feel like it just elevates the look. It makes it look so cute. And look at that. Like, that is just too cute. And I'm just fluffing out the hair some more because the more you fluff, the bigger it gets. And this is just what it looks like with the headband. So this is another option. That's the thing about a half wig. It's very versatile, and that's why I really do like them. So I'm fluffing it some more with my hands. I'm like, let's see how big this unit can get. So to show y'all can wear it a little bit, you know, not as full. You can wear it a little bit, you know, elongated. It just depends on the look that you want to go for, but it does get really big. Y'all gonna see that in the next clip. Like, look at this unit. Like, so full, so fluffy, so pretty. It's giving Shaka Khan. Planned on doing like a twist style in the front, but I like to do those styles when my hair is like freshly retightened. So I opted out for band 2 knots, and it's still going to turn out really cute. So I'm just doing a big 2-strand twist and then wrapping it around and securing it with a rubber band. I'll be doing 4 of those straight across. So yeah, it didn't take me no time to do this. Alright, so I'm literally going to put the unit back on, but we're going to put the unit behind the Bantu knots, and that's the good thing about this being a half wig, because now you can do all the styles that you wanted to do, and it makes it so much easier. Pull that drawstring. Y'all see how easy it is to put on. Super, super, super easy. Alright, and this is what it looks like. I added some butterfly clips just to give it a little bit of a flare. Super cute, and y'all see how seamless that looks. So this unit is so versatile, and I love that so much. This chair has literally drove me to a state of insanity today. Anywho, so you guys, let's get into it. This is the IC Burmese Curly Half Wig Invisifit Strap Human Hair Wear and Go Glueless Wig for beginners. It is a half wig, as you guys can see. Oh, excuse my wig cap, but it's a half wig. So you're able to do like styles at the front, and you don't see any tracks. Y'all see that? No tracks, no tracks. So that's nice. I just have my headband on because if you know I'm a headband girl. Now this unit is really, really long. I really should have had them send me a shorter unit because I don't really like long hair like this. This is not really, I don't know. I would have rather had this in a shorter look. I feel like then I could have, I don't know. I feel like long hair drags my face down. And basically what I'm saying is I feel like a shorter version of this unit would have looked really cute on me. Not that it doesn't look cute, but I just feel like it would have gave me it would have just fit my face. Like I need round looks for my face. Like I don't need long looks on my face, but that's neither here nor there. The unit's in 26 inches. It is the Burmese Curly. I think this wig was going like viral on TikTok, if I'm not mistaken, but it's really pretty. It's easy to install. It's a half wig. So like as y'all seen, I did Bantu knots in the front. You can do a twist in the front of your hair. You can do a lot of different things with this unit. I do have locks, so that's the reason why I put the headband on, because y'all saw without the locks, it blend pretty well. It just kind of looked like I had like, y'all know that braid style where they had a braids in the hair? Kind of looked like that, but I don't know, I feel like a headband was just more fitting for me because I'm a headband girl anyways. Like I love a good headband situation. It's really full. Y'all see the curls are really nice and fluffy. They're really tight at the bottom. You just fluff them out with your hands. That's what I did. I didn't add any product. This hair is really soft. That's what I love about it too. It's just an overall really pretty unit. Really easy to install. It's really full. Like this is a lot of hair. And the more you fluff it out like this, the bigger it gets. Like it gets bigger. Like the more you tease it with your hands, you're gonna get a bigger look. So that's what I like about it. And that's the goal with this unit, is to get a really big fluffy look. We love that. I really like this unit. It's really pretty. Really, really full. Just, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's a 10 out of 10. I would totally go and get this if you're in need of a new like half wig, something that's versatile, that's easy to throw on, that's quick, and especially if you're still loose natural, you could like flexi rod or do rods, like the hard rods, to like kind of get that curl pattern. That way it'll blend in really nice with your skin, That way it blends in really nice with the hairline. Oh my goodness. But yeah, y'all know what I'm saying. Y'all know what I mean. So 10 out of 10, I would totally recommend. Everything about IC here will be in the description box below. This beautiful unit will also be linked in the description box below as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.